Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will learn how you can configure specific file types to be uploaded as the assignment submission in your Moodle course. In the assignment activity in Moodle, you can configure a specific file types which students can upload as a submission for the assignment activity. Now let us see how you can do that. I'm logged into this site as an admin, but the process will remain same for the teachers also. And in order to configure the specific file types, I have added a assignment with file submissions settings. So let us click on this one and go to the settings tab here. If you are adding a new assignment, then also the process will be the same. So you need to give the assignment a name and give the description, which is optional. And then you need to come down to the submission types section. Here we have checked this file submissions because we would like the students to submit only the file as a assignment submission evidence. And here if you see this accepted file types box is empty as of now. So it means that any file which a user is uploading, it will be accepted as the submission evidence for this assignment. But let us assume that we would like them to upload only the image files or the PDF files as the submission for this assignment. So let us click on this choose button here. Now you can see that all the file extensions are listed on this page, which are categorized according to the different file types, such as the archive files, audio files, document files, image files, etc. So you can easily figure out of these which specific group you would like to target. Let us say that if I want them to upload a video file, then I will select this one and then specifically choose any one format which the student should use. But now for this example, we will be choosing the document files, and under the documents, we want them only to use the PDF file. So I will be checking this box for PDF. And then I will be having the option to upload the image files. So I would like them to give the option to upload the JPEG files only. So I have selected only the PDF and the JPEG format for uploading, and then click Save Changes button here. Now you can see that here we have the document PDF, JPEG, and it is a web image. So the student needs to comply to these two document types, these two file types. And once you are done with configuration of this accepted file types field, then just click on Save and Display. Now whenever the students will be visiting this, then they have to submit a file only in the PDF or in the JPEG format, and it will not allow them to upload any other file types. That is how you can use this setting in Moodle. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.